So there is an ongoing Ghana card registration in the country, and this video is strictly for only Ghanaians who need this information. So if you are yet to do your Ghana card, I want you to continue watching this video. And for the sake of those who are new to this channel, my name is Jade Komla Kingsley, and this is Jade King Tech. Okay, so these are the services that have been rendered under this ongoing registration. We have new registration, replacements, and if you want to do any changes on your Ghana card, if you want to update your age or date of birth, whatever it is, whatever information you want to add another name or take away another name on your Ghana card, you can get it done within this period. There's an ongoing registration. All you have to do is just pick the numbers on the screen and text me up, and then I'll put you on this process. Now the process is an express process. As always, terms and conditions applies to this procedure. Now what I mean by an express procedure is when the process begins, whether it's new registration, replacement, or whatever you want to do, when the process begins, you will be able to get your Ghana card within 24 hours or less. Now this is from someone on this very channel who texted me that she wanted to do her Ghana card. This is a new registration. She began the process and she was able to finish with the process and claimed her ID card within the same day. Unlike somewhere where you'd have to go start a process and come back after a week to claim your ID card. So this is a very good and great information for those who are yet to register and for those who have issues with their Ghana card. So just pick the numbers on the screen and hit me up. If you have any question, you can send them to me. You can ask when you text me on my WhatsApp. Equally, you can leave a message under this video. You can drop a comment under this video, and I'll do my best to reply all the comments under this video so you can be clarified on the process of getting your Ghana card registered. Now this process, I would say that it's a very fast process. It's not going to waste your time. It's very assured. It's not going to waste your time. It's a very fast process. Now, if you have more questions, if you need more clarification about the process, I'll be waiting for your messages on WhatsApp. You can reach me out with your questions, and I'll be grateful to have you and reply all your messages on my WhatsApp. As well, you can drop messages over here. You can leave comments in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply all the comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and catch you up in my next one.